That is Wessington Springs turnoff.
It is.
There's crap all over the. It's headed. We went straight through Wessington Springs.
Holy shit.
That is Wessington Springs. They're gonna go into town.
Holy
Oh my
crap.
gosh! Look at that. Oh, I hope everybody's okay. Oh my gosh! I hope they're okay. Who are you calling?
Craig wants to see if he's got it.
Is he watching this too? Oh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Debris all over the road.
We just watched a tornado go through Wessington Springs
On a live
on a live feed. Did you watch that? Holy shit, it just tore the car dealership right on the highway. You know when you come from Miller and you take the road and then you kind of go downhill and the trees are just stripped of
Tell him to go to
buildings.
Performance Radio.
Holy
Out of
shit.
Huron.
They're showing live pictures. Those storm chasing vehicles were here today, and this is their 6th tornado they found down here today, and we just watched it go through Wessington Springs on a live feed.
Tell him to go on Facebook. Performance Radio. Scroll down till he sees the.
Holy shit!
Did you hear him?
Wow. What's it called again? Performance Radio.
Go to Performance Radio. No. Go on Facebook.
Oh, what is it? Performance Radio. What?
You have to go on Facebook.
Go on Facebook.
Search Performance Radio and it'll
Go on
give
Facebook.
2. You want the one from Huron.
Who the hell is that standing?
These are the people in Wessington Springs. They're trying to make sure everybody's okay. They're running around. It's over Springs right now. I mean, it's still there.
It looks like it.
If he scrolls far enough down, you'll come across where they're going to do a live Storm Chaser feed. And you hit that and it'll come up with this.
Performance Radio. Search Performance Radio.
In the search, up in the Facebook thing.
Yeah, on the search button, on the search
On
icon
Facebook.
top.
On the Facebook one, not in... Search Performance Radio and 2 will come up. You want the one with the license plate on it.
You still there, Jesse? Are you watching the white building?
They're starting to pull out of town now or something. Oh, they're going to
Look
go
at that
into
house
town.
right there. Oh my gosh. The trees are just stripped off.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that trailer house right there. Holy shit.
Yeah. Alicia. Heard the Wessington Springs got hit.
Oh shit, there's